You keep checking your phone, hoping for that text from the person you want chasing you. You script pages of perfect scenarios, affirm 1,000 times a day, switch techniques like it's a new diet, and still nothing shifts. Why? Because you're overcomplicating the law, turning a simple truth into an exhausting puzzle that keeps your desires just out of reach. Listen closely, because this is the game changer for everyone watching Game of Beliefs. The law of assumption, the core of all manifestation, is not some complex ritual or secret formula hidden behind layers of rules. It is excruciatingly simple. You assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and reality mirrors it back. That's it. No endless steps, no perfect timing, no bridging the gap between where you are and what you want. People overcomplicate it because they fear simplicity means it cannot be powerful enough to change their world. But think about it. If the law worked through complication, why do the ones who live in effortless abundance seem to get everything without trying so hard? They know the truth you are about to grasp right now. Let us start at the foundation, because without this, everything else crumbles. Who are you really? You are not your name, your job, your past mistakes, or the rejections you have collected like badges of defeat. You are I am. That is the name of God within you, the pure consciousness that creates all things. Nothing exists outside of you. I mean this in the most literal way possible. That person who does not text back, they are a state of your own consciousness. The money you worry about lacking, another state you have chosen to focus on, your family drama, your unfulfilled dreams, even the doubts whispering in your ear right now, they all stem from the same source, your awareness. Feed them attention, and they grow strong. Starve them by shifting your focus, and they fade into nothingness. Neville Goddard taught this clearly. Your imagination is the real and only world. This physical reality you see, touch, and stress over is just a shadow, a temporary dream projected from within. Every state of being already exists, right now, in the eternal now. There is no past heartbreak holding you back, no future success waiting to be earned. Time is an illusion in the fourth dimension where creation happens. Choose to be conscious of the state where your desire is already yours, and that is what manifests. Problems? They cannot touch you, because they only exist if you assume they do. Assume instead that you are whole, loved, abundant, desired, and watch how the world rearranges itself to match. Why do so many in the manifestation community miss this? They chase techniques like affirmations, marathons, scripting sessions that last hours, or visualization rituals with crystals and full moons. Do not get me wrong. Those can help beginners build belief. But they become chains when you rely on them forever, turning manifestation into work instead of being. The universe does not respond to how much effort you put in. It responds to who you are being. If you affirm, I am wealthy, but feel poor inside, your assumption is lack, not abundance. Effort blocks the flow because striving screams, I do not have it yet. Rest in the end. Assume it is done, and let the law do its effortless work. Picture this. You want that specific person to obsess over you, to chase you like you are their dream come true. Instead of obsessing over their current coldness or some third-party drama, drop it. Everything is you pushed out. Their indifference is your assumption of being overlooked playing out. Flip the script inside. Assume they are already in love with you, already reaching out, already planning ways to win you over. Feel the relief of it being normal, the natural state of your life. Do not force it with logic or evidence from the three-dimensional world. The 3D is the effect, not the cause. Your inner assumption is the cause that births it. Now, you might wonder, how do I make this assumption stick when doubts flood in? That is where overcomplicating sneaks in again. You think you need 100 tools to fight the mind, but the mind quiets when you stop battling it. Observe your thoughts like clouds passing by. This doubt about money? Okay, it is there. But I am not that doubt. I am the one choosing my reality. This worry about love? Let it float away while you return to I am wealthy, I am desired. No suppression, just gentle redirection. Your consciousness is greater, than any fleeting thought. Treat it like a protective mechanism trying to keep you safe in old patterns. Thank it silently and choose again. And here is the beauty. You do not even need techniques if your assumption feels natural. Walk around knowing it is done. Talk to yourself as the version who has it all. React to life from that place. Forgot your wallet but assume abundance? You find money unexpectedly. That person ignores you online? Assume magnetic pull, and soon their energy shifts. But if doubts pull you back, and they will at first, there is one simple practice that Neville rooted his entire teaching in. It is called SATS, state akin to sleep. And it is all you truly need to impress the subconscious deeply. Let me walk you through it, not as a rigid list, but as a natural flow you can slip into tonight. First, decide exactly what you want. Be clear, unwavering. Want financial freedom? See yourself casually checking a bank alert showing more than enough. Want love chasing you? Imagine a friend congratulating you on how that person cannot stop talking about you, their voice excited and real. Keep the scene short, vivid, implying it is already done. Make it first person, from the end, feeling natural like a memory. Find a quiet spot before bed. Lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and relax your body from toes to head. Breathe deeply, letting tension melt away. Now, repeat, I am, silently in your mind. No labels, just I am, over and over. Feel yourself as formless awareness, shedding your current identity. Your mind might wander to tomorrow's worries. Gently bring it back. You will feel a floating sensation, see lights or spots behind your eyelids. Enter that drowsy state where sleep hovers, but you stay aware. This is SATS, the gateway to the subconscious. Enter your scene. Hear the friend's voice. Feel the phone in your hand. Touch the satisfaction in your chest. Loop it gently, immersing fully. Think from the scene, not of it. Lose yourself in the reality of it being done. Add senses if it helps. The smell of coffee while checking the bank. The warmth of a hug confirming love fulfilled. Fall asleep in it. Do this nightly with persistence, not strain. Neville said to do it intensely, but playfully. Like enjoying a movie where you star as the hero. Wake up with the natural knowing it is real. No need for daytime affirmations if this takes root. If focus wanders easily, Neville had a tip. Gaze into a plain surface, like a wall or carpet. Not at it, but through and beyond. Let your scene unfold in that depth until attention locks in. Simple, right? No pop a blood vessel effort. Why? Because forcing confirms lack. SATS works because it bypasses the conscious mind's chatter, planting assumption directly where it grows into fact. People overcomplicate SATS too. They worry about perfect drowsiness or exact senses. Forget that. The point is feeling it real, assuming the end. Neville manifested houses, money, love this way, not by complexity, but by living in the end during that relaxed state. Your subconscious accepts it as true, and the bridge of incidents appears. Synchronicities, opportunities, people shifting, all without you lifting a finger. Let us address the big roadblock, time. You think, I have been single forever, broke for years. How can it change overnight? That belief is the complication. Past does not exist except as a story you replay. Assume now is new. Persist in the face of 3D contradictions. It shows opposition, smile. Know your inner assumption wins. Neville quoted scripture, "If you deny me, I deny you." Deny the old story by ignoring it. Be still and know I am God. Go within to I am fulfilled, and blessings pour until you cannot contain them. Your specific person? You love their ideal state, which is your own state reflected. They are you pushed out. Assume the best version, and they become it. Money woes? Assume flow, and it flows. Health issues? Assume vitality. Circumstances mean nothing. They are self-created illusions you uncreate by assumption. Even if it feels lonely at first, realize the fulfillment of being whole, one consciousness expressing infinitely. Overthinking kills it all. Rumination on what-ifs, second-guessing techniques, fearing failure, These are habits from old conditioning. Catch them, label them as noise, observe without attachment, shift to assumption. Perfectionists overthink most because fear of not enough drives analysis paralysis. But manifestation loves simplicity. Decide, assume, persist. The universe conspires when you embody certainty. In Neville's words, feeling is the secret, not vain repetitions or loud decrees, but quiet consciousness of being it. You do not command with words, you are it silently. SATS delivers that feeling effortlessly. Rumi captured it. This world is a dream. Only a sleeper considers it real. Then death, as dawn wakes, you laughing at what seemed grief. So tonight, drop the complications. Enter SATS. Assume your desires done. Live from there awake. Your world bends because you dared to keep it simple. You are I am the creator. Step into that power now. Your manifestation awaits, not in effort, but in this pure, simple truth. I hope this video helped you in some way. I will meet you with another video soon. Happy manifesting.